This is the no-nut. It's an easy, fast and secure connection for steel to steel. It has a patented thread technology within the product that ensures that it provides a secure connection that can be relied on. It has a trilobular start to that thread, which makes it easier for the installer. This is important as it reduces the amount of load and torque going back through into their hand. As the thread forming starts, it then moves up the shaft, which then becomes a full 360-degree thread that connects with the components. Continue to drive the product through with an impact driver until it overdrives at the end, which is important. This then ensures that you have a secure connection with reliable values from the ETA. Amber Architectural Facades approached us at SFS. They had an application where they were looking to fit their curtain walling system back to the steel framed system that was the structure of the building, and they were looking for a solution that gave them a technical certainty through the design back to the main contractor.
I'm Stuart Holt. I'm the Managing Director of Amber Architectural Facades. The project is one of our main contractors that we have worked with over the years. The product that was specified through ourselves and our systems partner was the Technal 10-Tal-50 curtain walling, which is a 75% post-recycled system.
Typically something like referred to as a tech screw would be used that would create this connection and this fastening point. Amber Architectural Facades were not confident of the values that we're able to provide from these specific tech screws and wanted values that they could rely on, and they could rely on through to the engineer of the main contractor.
From a subcontractor's point of view, it's vital that we have a robust connection detail between our curtain walling and the substrate. In this instance, a steel frame system. The product we selected was the no-nut, which carries with it the full ETA testing.
The Building Safety Act is looking for everybody within the project to provide sort of a golden thread, to provide a demonstration of the technical values and how these all come together. The SFS no-nut provides this robust set of data that can be used in a product and supports the requirements of the Building Safety Act.
From the start of the project, SFS's input and help has been invaluable, spending an awful lot of time helping us through the intricacies of calculations and ensuring with the product we were using is fit for purpose, is the correct product, and the team in the background. It's made this an enjoyable experience. The beauty of the no-nut, from an installations point of view, it's simple. We drill a hole, drive it in, tighten, fixed. Simple. Our installation teams insist where possible that we use no-nuts, purely from a time-saving point of view, ease of use and robustness of product. I would wholeheartedly recommend SFS from a technical backup and a product offer is second to none.